Interior design students learn additive manufacturing techniques of the future. Visiting artist Virginia Sanfratello demonstrated how to print thin, interlocking plastic modular forms to eventually create large 3D surfaces.
3D printing is a method of manufacturing for the future. It is one of the ways in which things will be built, products, objects, interiors, and architecture. And it's important for students to know how to use 3D printers and how to design for printing parameters. And it's really important that students print themselves because then they learn how to be better designers for this future technology.
I have my own 3D printer at home, but I'm always looking to incorporate 3D printing in my work and figuring out better ways to print efficiently, and this has been a really nice thing for that. And it's also just a nice collaborative team building and also bringing a lot of ideas together and collaborating in a different space than I'm used to.
I've done a lot of 3D modeling in my 4 years here, but I've yet to really experiment with 3D printing itself. So taking that 3D model and making it into something physical is something I'm super excited about.
The workshop was held at Nebraska Innovation Studio and made possible through a grant from the Angelo Donghia Foundation. This is the second workshop offered in the last 2 years and is one of many ways the interior design program champions innovation and creativity through making.